This is the first grade matrix on sequencing using the story The Polar Express.
The first thing that we did on our Polar Express story was a see, think, wonder. Then we used retell cards to put the order in put it in sequential order. Next, we used the same retell cards to have the kids orally retell the story, and our last DOK3 was to put the retell cards up and leave some out, and the kids had to tell us the missing components.
Our first DOK2, we did sequence the story. There were sentence strips, and the children had to put them in the correct order from beginning to end. Our second DOK2, we used a Polar Express story map, and the children had to write a summary in the correct order from beginning to end. Our third DOK2, we had 3 sets of sentence strips, and the children had to decide within their groups which order was the correct sequence of the story.
Okay, our first DOK3 was where the students would work in groups to develop a graphic organizer to show the series of events in Polar Express. So the children worked in groups using a large paper, and they put the story in sequential order. The second DOK3, the students then deconstructed the Polar Express to create a visual of the beginning, middle, and end on large paper. After they illustrated the sequence of events on the large papers, then the students had, in their group, stand up and present their illustrations to the classroom. And they had to justify why they included the illustrations that they did on their paper.